Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to share how I painted up these cute little gingerbread ornaments that I'm using for little bowl fillers for my primitive country Christmas decor. Guys, I am so glad that you're here. I love how these turned out, and let me show you how I did it. When I ran across this faux leather ribbon in Hobby Lobby, I said that is the perfect gingerbread color. So I decided to make some gingerbread dough bowl filler or ornies or something like that, just to have them around my home for the season. So what I did is I just traced out a pattern, just cut it out of a circle using some cardstock, and then I just traced it out on the faux leather. And then what I'm doing to get the both sides the same, I'm just using some stick pins just to pin it there, and then using my sharp scissors I cut it out. I'm just going to use some hot glue to glue these shut. Now I'm leaving a bit of an opening so I can put in some fabric fill in there, some stuffing for my little dough bowl ornaments, or ornies in the primitive country world. That's what we call them. I'm going to be painting up a cute little gingerbread face and just making her so sweet. I had purchased 2 rolls of the brown faux leather looking this color like this, so I ended up making 4 of the gingerbread ornaments. 2 of them I have with a little bit different shape, a little more elongated face, and now I'm just giving them some white paint splatter and making them just look so stinking cute.